Okay, so today we are taking a look at the MagClip GO magnetic clip for the wireless Go. Okay, and just for reference, here is the wireless Go. Okay, I'll put a link in the description below to both the wireless Go and the MagClip GO for it. So the wireless Go, just for those of you guys that don't know, is a magnetic, well, not magnetic, it's a wireless mic. Okay, it's a wireless mic that we're going to make magnetic. Now, I'll show you guys why you would want to do that in a bit, but this wireless mic is good because it comes with a transmitter and a receiver. One end gets plugged into your computer or your camera or whatnot, and then the other one you just wear on you via this clip right here. And it's, in my opinion, essential for doing any kind of content where you're not just sitting at a desk or in front of a mic or something like VR and other types of content. But anyway, let's move that out of the way. In the box, this box right here, what you get is just two things, okay? Two things, yes. You get this and you get this, okay? Just two things, very simple. This is a magnet and this is what it connects to. It's a very strong magnet, okay? So, we are going to assemble it, okay? And by assemble, I'm going to set up it with you. Because we also need this for the purpose of this video. Okay. This, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, had things on the back here that we want to put on this. Okay. So what we want to do, if I understand it correctly, is literally just okay, I need to explain better. Okay, so we want to grab this end like this, and then grab this to the bottom here. And then what we want to do is simply put this on here. Okay, so it's literally on here fully. You can still use it as a clip if you want, but the added benefit of this is now the whole thing magnetizes. You may be wondering what the reason for that, what the good thing of that would even be. How it would work is you'd put this end under your shirt and put this end, you know, on top of it over your shirt, and then they would connect via magnets. And then it's a pretty powerful magnet too, so it shouldn't go anywhere. Now, I will admit that this MagClip GO it's pretty expensive for what it is, not gonna lie. It's like around 20 bucks, or it was when I got it anyway. But yeah, it gets the job done. It ways. It makes it still useful as a clip, and gives it the added benefit of magnets. So yeah, take it or leave it. It's not a requirement, but if you wondered how people make their wireless mics seemingly float, that is most likely the case. Magnets. And yeah, hopefully you guys found it helpful in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.